Are you using cursor, cloud code, codecs, and all those things to code your work, and you are hitting rate limits and all those things? That is so much frustrating. Just we are working very thing interesting, we are making some interesting project, and all of a sudden we need to wait for 5 more hours to get the reset, token reset, and all those things, right? But with this one tool that I'm going to explain, you no need to do that anymore. And you don't need any credit card also. Let me show that to you. This tool is called OmniRoute. This is their view, it looks like. So this is, they're promising that you can never stop coding because of this. Any token limits, usage rate limits and all. So never stop coding, and they are supporting 237 providers, and out of that 90 plus are free. And all these things are getting connected to single endpoint. So all your tools, whether it is open code, cloud code, codex, cursor, anything, you simply point that to this endpoint, and the OmniRoute will take care of routing the traffic to various providers. And out of that 90, right, by using these 90 plus free things, you can get 1.6 B free tokens per month. 1.6 B, that is a lot, right? I am running my open cloud with these tokens itself. I am not using anything else. So let's come back. Let's see what are the things that they are promising. They are promising that 1.6 B free tokens per month with this tool, because there are so many free providers, and it has so many things that you no need to pay for also, because with monthly free limit you no need to use any credit card. Simply install this and then you can run it. And also the promises of this tool is never hit limits, because if you hit a limit in one provider, it automatically routes that to the request to the another provider, so that you will never hit any rate limit. I will show that to you also how it will work. And you will save up to 95% of tokens, because it uses compression. It will send your entire prompt in a compressed format, so you won't use much tokens also. And also you no need of any credit card, because with free tires itself you can get 1.6 B tokens, so you can simply use forever. And every tool works. You can use all the coding agents, even OpenClaw, Hermes agent, all these agents also you can use. Currently I'm using like that. And everything is with one endpoint, so everything you can monitor at a single place. Why we need OmniRoute? Because subscription quota expires, right? Whenever you are working and it expires, and you have to again pay for that. With this, you no need to worry about. It will automatically route your requests to different AI providers, so your work never stops. You will never hit rate limits, and it compresses all those tokens, so you will save a lot. And also the better thing about this tool is the combos, right? They have different combos. For example, auto, coding, fast, cheap, offline, smart, right? If you don't want to stick to a single provider, you can use auto. These combos, you can create your own combos also. When you use auto combo, this tool will automatically select the best provider for you. If you are doing coding and you need no need to decide which tool, which provider to use, you can use auto coding, and this OmniRoute will choose the best coding provider for you. Similarly, if you want something faster, you can use auto fast. It will choose the fastest available provider for you. If you are doing some big things, right, reading multiple files at the same time, and you need to save money, you can use cheap, auto cheap, and it will choose the cheapest provider for you. Once that is done, then it will go to the next cheapest. Like that you can use. There are so many things you can build your own combo. Also, you have so many things here. You can do that. And if you have a team and you want to share with the team, you can use the quota sharing also, so that you can share quota with everyone. If somebody is using so much quota, and then it will affect other people, right? So you can use quota sharing also, and that you can limit quotas, you can share quotas, and also if somebody is not using at all, you can share that quota with others also. So let me show you my backend with you. I have installed, you can install it using one command. Let me show that command as well. You can go here, right? Copy this single command and run it on Windows, Mac, whatever. Once that is done, run the OmniRoute, you will get a command prompt this like this. So you can see the endpoints, right? Sorry, providers. All these providers you can connect. Currently, I have connected anti-gravity just for demo purpose. It is very easy to connect. Also, you can simply click on that, click on add. It will ask you to do something. You can simply do that. That's it. So you can connect any provider. If you have a subscription, you can use that. Without that also it is fine. Now let's go back to the endpoints. See, this is the endpoint. We are going to use this endpoint now, and we are going to create our this thing on application. Let me share my entire screen so that you can see what's happening. So let's go back. I have anti-gravity, and in that I have this application. See, if you see, I'm using the endpoint given by the OmniRoute. So I have the key. Key is optional. You can create key or without key is also fine. I am doing two things here. One is like, first thing is I am creating a read.md, I mean output.md, which will be generated now. Let me delete the previous one, and also image also. I will delete that. Okay, let me delete. So what we are doing is we are asking OmniRoute to select model based on its internal logic here, and it will create a readme for us, I mean output.md for us. And here we are selecting specific model for our use case, and it will again generate an image. So this is the base URL, and we are using OpenAI compatible endpoint. So we are using OpenAI libraries, and we are giving the message. This is a helpful message, blah, blah, blah. Let me show that to you. Now let me run it. If you want to use this, right, what you can do is, let me show the readme. Open, open preview. Okay. So we have the requirements file. Here we are installing OpenAI Python environment and requests. And this is what we need to do. I have done all of that. You can create these things, and then let's go back here. So I have set up a dog on the moon. This is my prompt. Okay. Let's see what it is doing. And I will show you how the OmniRoute routes all these things. Let me go back here. If you see logs, right? This is our first request. Currently, it is using Cloud Opus for writing that thing, the prompt and everything. And you can see here also, if you go back to this, it will show what it is using. Currently, I have anti-gravity connected, so it is using anti-gravity. Otherwise, it will use the free models also. Where is it? Oh, it done. So this is what it wrote. Let me open it in preview. So it wrote something blah blah blah, and also image also you can see dog on the moon. So it generated everything on its own. It selected the models also on its own, right? We can see that in the logs. For the first thing, it used something anti cloud opus, and the further image we have provided, it should use flash image, so it used flash image only. So like that we can create, and we can use this for all the things, right? You can point your coding agents, you can use OpenClaw, Hermes agent, so many agents to use this endpoint, and you can create so many applications with free tokens itself. Thank you for watching till now, and please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.